This Aston Martin came into our shop recently with pretty typical wear on this outer driver's bolster. Right here you can see that the bolster is a little scratched and worn, especially right there on the edge of the stitching. That's going to be a challenge to keep that stitching clean, and we're going to go ahead and clean the seat, restore and dye this bolster. This video is about what the process will look like and what to expect after we finish working on the leather. The craftsmanship in this car is really incredible to have that carbon fiber with the leather inlaid, and I gotta love this headliner. So much respect for the craftsmanship on that. All right, we got the microphone working. That's good. Let's try. Now that it's turned on. So what's going on with this thing?
All right, so we just got some minor wear on this bolster from sliding in and out of it, and we're gonna clean it up and fill in some of the little voids right here a little bit. We don't want to fill it too much. Give it a natural look and feel, and it'll be like brand new.
What are you doing here?
We're cleaning the whole seat, because every time we work on a car, we clean the entire seat and not just the part we're working on.
Here David is using a water-based cleaner with a very thin magic eraser, which we don't recommend for everyday cleaning, but for the preparation we need to get our products to stick to leather, this is a perfectly fine application. You've used very little cleaner and is drying it thoroughly. Okay, so David's already got the color started. He started with a translucent water-based dye, and he's now adding pigments to custom match the color. These pigments at the right ratios will get to the color match. He's going to allow it to dry on this panel and check it. Okay, keep that up until we get the color figured out.
Yep, gotta let that dry so we can see what the actual color is and how the light reflects back at it. Change the tint so it matches up with this batch of leather.
Now the vehicle is prepped. We've taped all the accent stitching, and David's going to apply a very thin layer of dye on the bolster. He's already done a light rub-in coat to get proper adhesion, and here's his first film coat of our water-based dye products. Afterwards, he removed a small layer of tape to reveal the black stitching, and he's going through and hand brushing that section of the leather without getting into the black stitching or onto the other portions of the bolster. Finally, a satin or flat top coat is applied. This allows the sheen of the product to match the rest of the seat and have a nice even sheen and color match. By using water-based products, we can guarantee that the finish and feel will be soft, flexible, and match the OEM factory feel without cracking. It'll have longer durability and will match the finish and sheen. Quite often we can condition the leather promptly after we restore it as well. And that's the final coat. He's going to go ahead and dry it, and here's the results.